Sandra Bullock was trying to talk about her recent nude movie scene when David Letterman said this.
They stick little things on your body, false modesty, which are then stuck to your partner by the end of the day. Like, he's wearing my pasties, I have his, whatever that's called for you gentlemen. I don't know about the crew because they had to see it from literally behind.
Yeah.
So I have to apologize again publicly.
Those may be the seats you want.
Really?
I don't know.
Comedians John Cleese and Eric Idle roast each other about their marriages.
You couldn't upset me if you tried.
Okay. Why have you been married so many times?
Right, I'm off. I've been married for 34 years.
Yeah.
To 4 different wives.
How long have you been married to that dreadful woman?
I have been married to my gorgeous Chicago wife.
Yes.
Almost
lovely.
40 years.
She's here.
40 years? That's a lack of imagination.
On the contrary, you need imagination to be with a woman for 40 years.
Yeah.
Martha Stewart was suspicious as to why David Letterman was so interested about her time in jail.
It announced the verdict, and then later there's the sentencing, and that's another one of those moments, and you're thinking, what, maybe just kind of house arrest at the worst, or probation, or...
No, I didn't think. I was pretty prepared for what I got.
Yeah. All right, and take us through that when you, it's one of those deals like it's the middle of the night, they check you in, and...
Are you in trouble? Why do you want to know all this?
Your career started in France, didn't it?
That's right, in Paris. Amazing.
You had a French girlfriend, didn't you?
That's right, yeah. Amazing. I was 22 at the time, 23. Yeah, she taught me a lot. I mean, amazing. And it's, you know, it's difficult down there. I'm trying to be polite and sort of, you know, very discreet at the same time.
Just say what you want.
Well, her fanny started there. Very hairy.
Don Rickles roasted Jay Leno for his infamously big chin.
Dancing hands. You never let up on that, huh?
No, it's a new
I hope you go to Cedars and my cousin's your doctor. And standing over the bed, and Jay goes, and they have to say, all right, Jay, just sit quiet. We're going to punch you once and hope the jaw snaps up.
Thank you very much.
Take a look at him. He can't drink a soda without dribbling all over him. This man's a moose. You put him over the fireplace, nobody's going to know the difference.
David Letterman seemed a little too interested in Charlize Theron's modeling shoot.
And what goes on inside the pages of Vogue? What do we find inside here?
A lot of naughty things.
Really? They put you in a lot of weird stuff?
They did for a couple of things, you know?
Like what kind of stuff? Anything?
Whoa, where are we going with this?
Well,
Welcome all to the show. You're hot.
Oh, yeah. It's all the extra weight. I weighed my boobs.
Did you?
You can weigh them on a food scale. It's the most incredible byproduct of being pregnant, is getting just a rack and a half.
I'm trying so hard to maintain eye contact.
Go ahead, you can look.
Right, finish. Now, don't ask me to get up for a few minutes.
Joan Rivers took a shot at Angelina Jolie back in 2012.
Try to dress sexy, but it's hard.
Is it?
Well, you know, come on. It's like they were all like Angelina Jolie at the Oscars.
Right.
First of all, did she think there's a surprise up there? All of Hollywood has seen that.
Later on in the interview, she once again proved that she has absolutely no filter.
What does your grandson want to do when he grows up? Does he know yet?
Right now, he's 10. He wants to be a football player, but, you know, stupid.
What do you want him to be?
Gay.
You want him to be gay?
I want him to be gay. I want him to be gay. Who else is going to give a damn that I knew Judy Garland?
Raquel Welch and David Letterman were definitely flirting a little in this interview.
But finally, we're really happy you came on.
I don't know why I waited so long. I guess it was
Yeah,
just
you know why.
long.
Now, why didn't you want to come on the show?
I like long play. Same results just by doing that. All you have to do is just drop yourself down.
Oh, we're going to see it. Oh, we're going to see it.
But not from that angle, folks. Like that.
Oh,
See,
my.
if you stay down like that, you're basically all the blood and everything is rushing to your head and your spine.
Yeah, straightens out your spine,
yeah.
it helps your circulation.
That's right.
And takes the wrinkles out of your shorts.